Guys, welcome to our new video. Today I'm gonna show you how to fix this issue. I did head clean my printer. I did what they call ink flash. You can do deep cleaning, whatever cleaning you do, this won't work. So after doing those things, head cleaning, deep cleaning, nozzle check, all of that, still I could get this box wrong. This box is fine, the black one nothing. So the best I could do, it was this. Can you see? This was the best I could do. I cleaned like over 20 times. But if that happens to you, you can see also this, because I've been to not waste paper, I've been changing and changing. If that happened to you, I'm gonna show you something which gonna give you this result. Once I did that, which I'm gonna show you, it's a very quick fix. I got this result. Is the result I got. You can see now only this is the problem now, but after doing what I did, I got these results. Okay, I'm gonna show what I did. So once you get these first results, then you can do head cleaning, deep cleaning, whatever cleaning you do, maybe 2-3 times, then it's gonna be fine. Okay, then I did the first head cleaning, but you do that after what I'm gonna show you. Then look what I went to. You can see this. Compare that to the first one. You can see the first one is broken, the second one is close to be perfect, right? Okay, then the final result were these. You can see this is 100%, all the color comes out. Black was not coming out totally. You saw how I showed what I showed you. Okay, well, what do you need as your tools? You only need a syringe, this guy, you get me? So opening here, I didn't show you, but this is the hooker. You can see this hooker, it sits in here. You can hold a bit this side and this side to expand here so that you pull this guy out. Don't break, please. Okay, then there's this I wonder everyone is gonna see. There's this this guy. This cable is for waste toner or waste ink. You can pull it out. Pull it out, then you get it. You can see it's here. Okay, once you get that, what is next? You're gonna put your syringe and you suck here. Get me? Make it weigh it nicely. Can you see? But it has to be inside. So I've done that. I don't want to do that. Make that pipe weigh into the syringe. Then you suck in you suck out the ink. The ink is gonna come here, like maybe until here. You suck and then you put the thing down here. You put this cable down again, but make sure it goes into its channel nicely. I wonder if you can see. You might not see all what I can do, but okay. Put it back here. Okay, you can see that pipe went into that. Super fine. Yeah, that's the waste toner ink thing. Then after you take out this guy, see, after sucking, guys, I didn't suck because I did suck. Once you suck once, you suck your ink, let it be maybe here, up until here. Once you suck that ink, then you can pour it somewhere, you throw it because that's waste ink. Then you close this guy back. Let me close it here. Okay, close that guy back. You can see now it goes in, goes down, goes in, goes down. You can see. So once you do that, then you're gonna get a very good copy. This is something which took me 2 days to figure out, but good enough. It shouldn't take you 2 days for you. I was finishing ink and also making a printer to have a lot of counter. You might also end up getting a yellow light because of that. then your ink pad counter gonna finish because of doing a lot of ink. You can see that. So I'm done with that. Even if I press here, no, this is gonna be like a head cleanup, something I didn't want. Okay, let me press here. Okay, this I wanna do a printout for network printout. You can see it's super good. It doesn't cut in two lines. It was also cutting in two lines. You understand? Fine black comes out. Everything is fine. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video.